So good afternoon to all. Hope you're doing great. So in this video, we'll be discussing about New Year picks of 2022. So as promised in the previous sessions, I told that the coming video is going to be the New Year picks. So we'll discuss two stocks with both fundamentals and complete technicals which may soon give multi-bagger returns. So since as promised, I am providing the videos, so do like it. So if you like it, so next immediate video is going to be on penny stocks. So I have received many comments that many people are enjoying the penny stock series that recently I have discussed. So many stocks have given more than 60 to 70% return within just a short span of time. So since that much analysis and effort is being put, so do like it. So let's keep a target of 300 to 400 likes on this particular video. So then immediately I'll upload a video on penny stocks as well, which may give some multi-bagger returns. And if you have not yet subscribed the channel, so definitely subscribe it and also join the Telegram group, because in Telegram we'll discuss all the instant updates followed by stocks for intraday, swing and long term. I'll provide link in the description followed by comment section. Okay, so the first stock that we're going to discuss today is going to be G1 Scientific Technology. Okay, so this particular company was established in 1999. So its major business is related to the clinical research, and if you see, it also involved in adverse drug reactions and clinical trial business. So in that, technology is also involved, and the company has some very good bright future as well. So this is a stock which is in BSE category, BSE Group X. So market cap is very less. It's somewhere around 279 crores and current price is somewhere around 182 rupees level. So high, 52-week high is around 195 and low is only around 32.6. So stock P is somewhere around 17.7. So book value is around 27.8. So dividend also is given by the company, which is around 0.27%. And most important thing, you can clearly identify, that is return on capital employed followed by return on equity. So very good number. So 33.6% followed by 36.8%. Okay, so next if we discuss about what are the major pros and cons, you can see company has reduced the debt and company is expected to give a very good quarter result, and the company has given a profit growth of 93.04% CAGR over the last 5 years. And next we can see debtor days have improved very well. So negatives are completely negligible. You can see only the book value and promoter holding, which is somewhere around 38 or 40%. So that is also a very good holding. So business wise, the company has some very bright future. Okay, so next if we try to have a peer comparison, you can see only one company is there here, that is G1 Scientific. So no other company is having healthcare plus miscellaneous. So current price 182, P is 17.66. Only that is important thing, and ROC and ROE very good numbers. So keep these two, whatever stock I'm telling, in your watch list. So whenever you're getting into that particular zone, try to buy in small portions. So definitely you will get that benefit in long term. So next if we talk about financials, so first one is operating profit. So that is also a very good consistency is there, but as I told, in future it will improve. Next, profit before tax, that is also very good. Net profit significantly on quarter basis also it has performed very well. Right, so next let's quickly go to the technical charts. So if you observe the technical charts, you can see the stock is in very good uptrend. So this is daily chart. So current resistance is somewhere around 190 for the stock, and if you are getting any opportunity, so buy around 180 rupees in small portions accumulated. Definitely you'll get that benefit in long term. So this is only a long term stock, so don't do any short term trading. So once you're invested, so start the year with some very good investments, enter into some very good companies which are having bright future. So don't do short term trading taking small profits. So why am I telling that? Because in long term, if it gives multi-fold returns, so you'll miss that opportunity. Keep this in mind. So let's quickly go to the second stock. Okay, so the second stock that we are going to discuss today is going to be Gravita India. So this is very good stock as compared to JSTL. So both are good. So first preference I'll give to Gravita. Second I'll give to JSTL. So both are very strong companies in their particular fields. Accumulate both these companies as I told. So this particular company is engaged in trading lead alloys and lead value added products. So this has a very great advantage in future, especially related to electric vehicle segment. Keep this in mind. So market cap is around 2000 crores. So current price is somewhere around 293 rupees. High is 306. Low is only 73 rupees. Stock PE surprisingly is very less as compared to the sector PE. So dividend yield is also given around 0.38%. So next, moving further towards return on capital employed followed by return on equity, it is somewhere around 19.7% followed by 21.2%. So next, if you see the pros and cons, the company is expected to give some very good quarter result, and cons only negligible dividend payout. Okay, so next, if we try to compare it with market competitors, you can see on basis of price to earning ratio, you can see it is around 21.10, significantly placed, nothing to worry about it. So ROC is also very good, giving a very good competition to Hindustan Zinc as well. So this company has a very good benefit, as I told, related to electric vehicle segment, especially in the manufacturing of these alloys. So that is the reason I am discussing it on basis of research. Okay, so next, moving further towards financials, you can see a steady growth is present in the financials. So last quarter, whatever the company has posted very good numbers, and it has given a multi-year breakout. So there is also one extra added point. So profit before tax has doubled, net profit also significantly on quarter basis, it has improved. Okay, so next, moving further towards the technical charts and daily chart of Gravita, you can see the stock is currently around 292 rupees level, and as I told recently, it has given a multi-year breakout, and again it is ready for the second breakout in the coming sessions. So when will it give that breakout? So immediately after crossing that 300 rupees level, you can expect the stock will start flying in the upside direction. So anything below 280 or at current market levels 290 also, you can try to accumulate this particular stock and you can take that particular benefit. So long term breakout is there. That is the reason I'm telling it. Try to accumulate all these two stocks whatever I've discussed. So if you want the next video on penny stocks, you can like the video, make 300 to 400 likes minimum, because regularly I'm uploading but many people are watching, they're not clicking that like button. So when you're not clicking that like button, so reach reduces. So when reach reduces, it's not going to the maximum viewers. So my motto is many people should get that benefit and they can encash that particular opportunity. So any further queries you can ask in the comment section, and also you can connect with me in Instagram. Instagram ID is StocksDairyYT. So until then, stay safe, take care, bye bye.